Hey math kids, today we're going to talk about limits and I think we're just going to jump in with an example. So a limit is when we get really close to something, and so if we have something, so this is the limit as x approaches 2 of x squared. So the first thing we're going to try every time is just plug in this value for the x. So 2 squared, and so that's just equal to 4. So the limit as x approaches 2 of x squared is equal to 4. Okay, now if we have something like the limit as x approaches 0 of x squared plus 3x over x, we try to plug in 0, but the problem is, since there's this on the bottom, if we plug in a 0, we'll have division by 0, and that's not allowed. So what we have to do is we have to write an alternative form of this. So what we're going to do is factor out an x on top, cancel those x's, and so we have x plus 3. Now the limit as x approaches 0 of x plus 3 is the limit of as x approaches 0 of this as well. So now we plug in a 0, we get 0 plus 3, and so the limit for that one is 3. Okay? And then limit as x approaches 3 of x squared minus 9 over x minus 3. Once again, if we plug in the 3 right here, we'll get division by 0. So we need to factor the top using difference of squares. And so those x minus 3's cancel. Now we can plug in the x value, and so we get 3 plus 3, which is equal to 6. So this limit is equal to 6. Okay. If you need additional help, please come to Math Lab. Until then, calculate.